Hey, what's up, everyone? The watch list video here for, and I can't believe this, but tomorrow's Friday already. Wow. Friday, January 10th, showing you the SPY. New all-time highs again. Really narrow range on the day, but still, all-time highs. This market is strong. What are we watching for Friday? LJPC, nice spike today, nice breakout. Pretty close to this gap fill if you're a believer in that sort of thing, but this one could easily, it's so beaten up, had good news today. That it might have a follow-through day. So I'm certainly going to watch that one. AGTC. Now, we don't ever want to become chasers. When a stock does this, we don't want to just buy it blindly the next day, but obviously we never do that. But when you have a stock this strong, it's not really uncommon to catch a pretty nice intraday A-plus setup in it and to catch a follow-through day. So we'll see, only if it gives a proper setup. But obviously, I'm fully aware how far that is from the moving averages and how extended it is. Beyond BYND, really nice breakout a few days ago. Sellers came in and the chart looked like this coming into today. If you watched my video last night, I had it on watch, and today it continued. Now, doesn't look like much here, but I'm hovering over this day 3 sessions ago was almost $10 in range, 75 to 84.88. So that's a huge move. And so, you know, sometimes you kind of think, well, it's got to rest. Let's go to 5-minute candles. For those of you that weren't in chat, this is a beautiful setup. So it opens here. This is the opening 5-minute candle. It goes to 83.37, comes back down, and comes up and touches 83, right above the open. So it just went red to green. I even said over the mic a lot of times, I said I liked it through 83, whole number inflection point, high of day above on a recent high flyer. It's just that simple, right? I liked it through 83. But, you know, it had come a long way to get there in a short period of time. It came from 82.10 to 83 in about 5 minutes. But the beauty of it was it hit 83, came back down a little bit, and then I said, now I really like it through 83. And maybe it's better to show on 2-minute candles. Yeah, because then you can kind of see that little flag there, right? So it hits 83, flags, called it long through 83, looking for a high of day break, and a continuation of this big move back here. And that's exactly what we got. Now let me switch back to 5s. My best sell, because I still can't get my head around how good of a trader Wayne is, and his resolve to always hold some to the closing bell as long as it doesn't stop him out. And I think I saw on Twitter he sold some at 90, so he got $7 a share on some. My best sell was over 87, so I got $4 and something a share. You know, I think it was right here that shook me out the rest. I had a little bit left. Anyway, I had a great trade in it, but I'm still always astounded at how disciplined he is and how he just follows his process. Some big winners in chat lately, and that was certainly one of them today. Love the setup that it gave. TRIL, again, another one that's, you know, stupid extended. Switching back to intraday. Man, I had this on the watch list and just didn't catch this flag. Didn't see this flag right here. It looked better on 2s. But anyway. And then... So then it tops out over 310. This is for those of you that weren't in chat. Jane called a 2-minute buy zone. I think she got it in the mid 250s on a pullback play. And then it ended up going back up. Look at that. I saw it hit 3 and flag. I called it long through 3 there. Again, I would have rather been in Jane's entry in the 250s. But then that 3 break, high of day above is another catalyst. And I know a bunch of us got that one. So that happened pretty quickly, and that's what you want to see. Anyway, really extended, but just like... some of these others, it might come back into play tomorrow. Certainly want to be on watch for the next several days, right? Gene had this massive pop. Quiet red day. Remember I said sometimes you get a 3rd day play? This thing ripped again today, so we're going to watch it again tomorrow. At one point in after hours, this was up over 550. Right now it's trading at 485. But that's been a big mover, so we're going to watch it. We're day traders, right? SAVA, speaking of big movers, this had a huge move. 2-day pullback, a really nice pop yesterday. We nailed that one, and then now a red day. So there's no real clean pattern here, but it's as simple as a recent high flyer, an in-play stock, if you will, that took a day of rest on low volume today. Absolutely going to watch it tomorrow. Did not give any setups today, by the way. CGC did kind of curl out of this 3 or 4 day base after this big pop on the last day of the year. So the pot stocks all want to be watched, but I'm going to pick CGC as the one I'm going to watch. AQMS, big pop here to $1.10, lower high right at $1 and kind of flagging below $1. I love this through $1 that it might overtake and rip through that $1.10 as well. A couple more. AZRX, Nice pop 3 days ago. Quiet inside day and curling back up again. And CPA, which doesn't look good in any way, shape, or form, except in after hours. It's trading right around $2. So obviously had some news. Possible gap play tomorrow. It'll probably end up being crowded by the open, and I won't trade it, but still, I did notice it gapping in after hours. All right, let's leave it at that. We will add some gappers in the pre-market together, and there should be plenty to trade. It's been a fantastic week. Let's keep it going tomorrow.